Hello everyone. Today I will introduce the unit conversion function in LiDAR360. The unit conversion function is used to convert measurement units for point clouds, vectors, models, image projects, rasters, 3D and tables. In the toolbox, search for the unit conversion tool and double-click to activate it. In the pop-up window, you can add files in formats such as point clouds, rasters, vectors, and 3D. You can also delete a file that has been added or clear all added files. In the conversion options, set the source unit and target unit for the files. The platform supports meters, feet, foot, and US survey feet, foot US. Finally, set the output path and click OK to generate the results. When we convert the data units to feet or use data directly in feet, adjusting the software's unit settings can ensure that the operations and results are consistent with the data. Click Options, Unit Setting, select feet as the platform unit, and click OK. Restart the software to apply the settings. Now, the units in the bottom left corner have been changed from meters to feet, allowing you to open the converted data. The elevation of the point cloud, the resolution of the DEM or other interfaces and results will also be displayed and saved in feet. That concludes the introduction to the unit conversion function. Thank you for watching.